But right now we're going to go and check out some math around the world. All right, in studio we have Caitlin with us. How are you today, Caitlin?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm excellent myself, thank you. So let everybody know where you go to school and what grade you're in.
I go to Stockdale Elementary and I'm in 6th grade.
And how is 6th grade?
Pretty fun.
Good. I'm glad you enjoy it so far. Are you looking forward to junior high at all yet?
I have siblings in junior high and they said the most fun part is switching classes. So, yeah.
All right, so you're looking forward to that. Good. So you are going to talk a little bit about some mathematical methods from different part of the world. So where will you be speaking about today?
I'm going to be talking about math methods from Russia.
All right, well, as soon as you're ready, take it away.
Okay. So the first subject I'm going to be talking about is multiplication. So the method that they used is called ancient Russian peasant multiplication. So they used paper, but I'm using a whiteboard. If you wrote out the problem 56 times 4, you have to separate them into columns. On one side, you're going to be halving it, and on the other side, you're going to be doubling it. So you can see that I've separated them and I've organized them so you can tell. Half of 56 would be, wait, I don't know, I'm not thinking of this.
You want some help?
Yeah.
28.
Okay, 28 is half of 56 and 4 doubled is 8. So you keep going like that until you get to 1. So I'm going to do that again. So 14 and 16, and then I'm going to go 7 and 32. So when you get to an odd number, like I have here, I have 7 here, you subtract 1, so 7 minus 1 would be 6, or it would be 6 to make it even, and then you would have 6. So 6 cut in half is 3, and that's what you would write. Then 32 doubled is 64, and then half of 3 would be 1 1/2, but you would just take the 1, so 1 and 128. Now you're done because you got to 1. So you're done with that process. Then what you have to do is cross out all of the rows that have an even number in this column. So that one's gone and that one's gone. Then these numbers that are left, you see 32, 64, and 128, you add them. So I'm going to rewrite it down here. Add those. So this is 12 plus 2 is 14. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 6 is 9, plus 3 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. So my final answer is 224. You can check that by using a more familiar method, which is just standard multiplication. So 56 times 4, 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22, and you can see that they are the exact same answer. So that is Russian peasant multiplication. The next thing is addition. So on my slide over here, you can see I have a lot of words explaining addition. I'm not going to read that, but I have an abacus here, and this is what they used. So if I wanted to make the number 126, the hundreds place is here. So this is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and it goes up from there. So if I wanted to make 127, I have a 100, 2 tens, and 7 ones. So 127. That's how you make a number. If you wanted to actually add, so I'll say 127 plus 6. So you can see that I don't have enough beads to add 6. So I would add these 3 and slide them all over and add a 10. So you're replacing these beads with 110. So then you have 3 left over, so you'd still add 3 ones, so you have 133. That's addition. If you wanted to do a more complicated one, like 358 plus 122. So you add the 100, you have enough. You add 2, because you have enough. I think I said 123. I'm not quite sure.
You said 122.
122, okay.
Right.
So 122. So it looks like I have enough. So that would just give me 470. Oh, wait. That's 10, so I need to replace this. So actually, it would be 480. 480. Yeah, 480 with no ones. So it's 0. Yeah, that's addition.
There you go, nicely done. So you had to do this as part of a class, right, to learn about a different type of math done in different cultures and different countries and things like that. And do you find either of those methods better, easier, anything about them?
I would say the multiplication might be, it's not necessarily easier in my opinion, but it could be easily understood. And the addition, I think we should just stick to what we already know.
Okay.
The new ways.
All right. Well, the peasant method of multiplication, I can see how when you were doing that, it would be easy because all you have to do is take a number and half it until you get to 1. Just remember when you get to that odd number, go to the one below it to half that, and then simply double the other number, and then cross out the lines with even numbers on the left, add them all up, and you're all done. So Caitlin, nicely done. Thanks for sharing your math around the world with us this afternoon, and we'll be back with more right after this.